Hey everyone, welcome back. It's Molly. Today I'm making an old-fashioned cookie recipe called rocks. Hopefully they're not hard as rocks. So without further ado, let's get started. This recipe calls for shortening, and we want to cream the shortening and sugar together. And we're using brown sugar. Next I'm going to add the eggs. So next I'm going to sift in the flour, baking soda, baking powder, salt, clove, and cinnamon. Okay, so now I'm going to add the oats, and I'm going to add a little bit of the sour milk. So I just took regular milk and added a little bit of lemon juice to it and let it sit for a bit. Let me add the remaining milk. And now I'm going to add my walnuts. You could use whatever kind of nuts you want. And I'm going to add the dates. And the recipe says you can also use figs or raisins. Okay, so my oven is preheated at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. And the recipe says to drop this by the teaspoonful onto greased cookie sheets. Now, I've got cookie sheets lined with some silicone liners. And I think I'm going to do mine bigger than 1 teaspoon. I have a cookie scoop. This is a pretty wet looking dough. I think these are probably going to spread quite a bit, so I'm not going to fill these up all the way. I'm a fan of big cookies, so that's why I kind of want to do it this way and just see what kind of luck I have. I have the cookies.
Hey everybody.
All right.
What kind of cookie is this?
This is a cookie called a rock cookie. The rocks cookie. Hang on, let me grab the cookbook. This cookie is from the Household Searchlight Recipe Book, which was copyrighted in 1937. So give them a little grace. It's 1937. So, okay, here's the thing. I think that this cookie would have been amazing in 1937. It's a little plain. It has cinnamon and clove in it. I was expecting a spicier cookie, and it's really subtle.
It is really subtle, but it's very good.
It's very moist and chewy.
Yeah.
And delicate. Now the batter was really wet, and I was concerned as to how much these would spread. And they did spread a little bit, but not as much as I thought they would. So they're light in texture. They're very good. You can customize whatever you put in them. You can put whatever nuts in them you want, or whatever type of dried fruit you want. But they are really a little, I think I would up the amount of cinnamon cloves that go in them next time. So I like a spicy cookie, and these are not as spicy as I thought they were going to be, but they're still very good.
Yeah, it's subtle, but it's really good.
So I don't know why they're called rocks cookies or rock cookies. I'm not sure where that name came from. Whoa, it's dinner time.
Yeah.
You're getting restless.
Really good cookie. It's really basic, and it's really good.
Basic.
You're gonna cut that part out, right?
I don't know. It depends on how my mood is. So if you like this recipe, please hit the like button and subscribe. I upload new content every Wednesday, and Dan and I are always here taste testing vintage recipes.
And if you guys have a vintage recipe you'd like us to try out, please write it in the comment below.
We'll see you in the next video.
Bye everybody.
Bye.